Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to get free electricity in Andhra Pradesh, especially for SC and SC community people. So government is offering free solar scheme for Andhra Pradesh people, those who are of community and SC, ST. Okay, so here you can see the solar panel. This solar panel will be supplied freely to the people, and this is the inverter of 2 kilowatt that will be supplied to the customer. Okay, so what is the concept of this scheme? So this scheme is implemented by central government under the name called PM Surya Ghar Yojana, and with the cooperation of Andhra Pradesh state government. So with the cooperation of state government as well as central government, the scheme is implemented. So how to get this scheme or how to apply for this scheme, let us try to see here. So in this scheme you are going to get an 2 kilowatt solar power plant freely for all SC and ST community people, and this is eligible for all SC and ST community people. So the eligibility who can apply is, so if you want to get this scheme, so you should belong to either SC or ST caste. Okay, and you should have a monthly electricity should be less than 200 units. I mean, you may be varying from 0 to 100 units or 100 to 200. So average monthly consumption should be only 200. Those people are only eligible for this scheme. So if you want to have this scheme, you should have your own house, then only you can have the scheme, and the minimum required here is a minimum 200 square feet is the area required for the installation of this plant. Okay, and you should have a valid electricity connection, and you should not take in any subsidy or directly from the central government under PM Surya Ghar. So you should not avail any scheme earlier, and you should have a valid electricity consumption, and you should have your own house with a valid rooftop of minimum 200 square feet. Okay, so the structures you may get in this category. So four panels you may be estimated to get. So these are the four panels you are going to get. Each panel is of length 8 feet, and this is also 8 feet, and width is 4 feet and 4 feet. So here the length should be 8 feet and the total width should be 16 feet. So the total area approximately required is 16 into 8 feet. So this is the minimum area required for the installation of this plant. And coming to here, the target to whom this scheme is government is implementing. So the target is for 20 lakh SC and ST community, this plant will be installed. So from this plant, you are going to have an 2 kilowatt rooftop solar power plant, and each kilowatt will generate approximately 5 units, and per day you are going to get 10 units. Like this 10 units multiplied with 30 days, so you are going to have 300 units freely per month. Okay, so you will be generating 300 units per month, therefore you will not get any electricity bill. So for example, in this 300 units you used only 100 units for the home, and the remaining 200 units will be exported to the grid, and they are going to pay you. So 2 into 2 rupees you take, so approximately 400 rupees will be and revenue for you if you take this plant, and 5 years free maintenance. So that will be done by the vendor. Okay, so what are the documents you require is, so first one, you require an Aadhaar card, you require an that a certified SC or ST caste certificate and latest electricity bill and ownership proof and your bank details as well as your passport size. All this data you should have. Then how to apply? So go to directly to the pmsuryagar.government.in and register with your mobile number. So you register with your 10-digit mobile number, and this is your electricity bill. And your electricity bill, you are going to have the service number with 13 digits. Enter that service number and select the state Andhra Pradesh and select your discount. So we belong those are in the south, which is nothing but AP, SPDCL, and upload the documents of Aadhaar card, PAN card, bank passbook, and choose an vendor. So there will be an AP SPDCL approved vendors. Select any one of the vendor and then wait, you'll get an feasibility report. Therefore, the solar plant has been allotted to you, and your site is feasible to get a 2 kilowatt plant. You'll get an certificate. Okay, and then the discom will start installing by through the vendor. And if you are installing 3 kilowatt plant, you'll get 30,000 as subsidy. So this is the online process. Offline process is you can visit the substation or the assistant engineer office, and you can ask for the scheme of SC community, submit all the documents what I mentioned here to them. So you have to submit all these documents to the AE office. After submitting, they will only do this registration. Okay, after getting registered, so officer will verify your application process, and they have an, so this is nothing but so submit all your documents, then the officers will verify all your documents. And important points you have to remember is so this solar scheme is freely for all the people. And if you are having 3 kilowatt, then you'll get a subsidy of 78,000. Or if you are installing only 2 kilowatt, then you'll get a subsidy of 30,000 for that extra kilowatt. So, and the system will be installed by the APSP cell authorized vendors, and NetMeter also will be installed by the vendor itself. Okay, so since you are an from AP, so one more offline technique you can do is you can visit the discom office directly, and you can ask this application and you can fill. So already the government is also identifying the SC community, those are really poor, and those are already having less than 200. They are preparing an list. Okay, so they will be also being selected. If you are already in this list, so you will get it. If you are not there in the list, you can do this process to get it. So hope my video is useful for you. So through this video, I had given an some general awareness how to apply through an PM Surya Ghar portal and what are the documents you require, and you directly go do this in online, or you can directly go to the offline and you can apply. Okay, so hope you can enjoy the free solar power. Those who are the residents of Andhra Pradesh of SC ST community. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my video. We'll meet in another video. Thank you for your time.